Do you wonder how to socialize your rescue dog? Then this video is for you. Last week we started talking about socialization and how to help nervous rescue dogs feel comfortable in their new environment. If you missed that video, make sure to check it. The link is at the top of the screen right now. And this week we're going to talk about how to get your rescue dog used to different sounds. Socialization also involves sounds. If you have a nervous rescue dog, they are probably scared of some noises like the hoover, lawnmower, fireworks. The best way to get your dog used to different sounds is by playing them on your phone while your dog is enjoying a long-lasting treat like a frozen cone. The idea is to create a positive experience for your dog. Search for sounds on internet and play them at very low volume while your dog relaxes. Go very slowly, play the sounds at barely audible volume the first few days and increase it ever so slightly day by day. I hope you got value out of this video. Next week we'll talk more about socialization, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss that video. I hope you have a nice week, stay safe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!